Right, well we've cut a lot of the small branches off. We actually used the Stihl to cut the branches off of this dead pine that's fallen down. But now we're using a much more commercial, professional product. Another battery chainsaw. Always keep the guard on it. That's very important because they're nasty. So we'll throw the guard over there. The first thing you've always got to check is that with these Stihl battery chainsaws, and in fact most chainsaws now, you can adjust them quite easily here. You just lift this little lever here, you unscrew it, and then you can adjust the chain by moving that. Then you tighten that up, pop it back. The important thing is that your chain should be, and I hope you can just see that, is that, I'll show you that a bit closer. You should be able to pull the chain so that the teeth just show there, because what happens is the chain will heat up with it running, and that way it tightens. So you have to have a bit of slack before you start. So check your chains right. The next thing that's really important is chains don't run on metal. There's oil here. Again, there's an oil filler. See that your oil is full, because that lubricates the chain as it runs round. So gloves on here. Remember that chainsaws have also got this safety lock, so you can't see. I'm pressing all the buttons and it's not going. That's because the safety's on. The batteries we're using, I'll just show you. These are chunky ones. This is an AP300S. This lasts over an hour, even cutting wood like this. Just pops in like that. We also use 200s, which lasts a little bit less time. These are a bit heavier, but basically you've got a lightweight chainsaw here. Safety button and trigger. So that to work the trigger, and let's face it, this is the other safety feature. That is now will work. Just watch how we do this. We've lifted the log slightly off the ground. That's really important so that you don't touch the ground with the chain. And I'll just show you one more thing. And people think you've got to have petrol motors to actually drive chainsaws. No, you haven't. Just watch. Look at that, easy as that.